Morning, beautiful people. It's the 1st of January 2024. I can't believe I'm saying that. I'm grateful that I was able to see this day. And to start off, we're in my kitchen, and today we're making milk bread, toasted milk bread. So yes, let's get into it. And if you haven't, please do subscribe, like, comment, share, yeah, save my recipes. And today, actually, for lunch, I'll be taking a video of what I'll be cooking, so stay tuned because I'll be putting it out there as well. So we're gonna take 3 slices of bread and we're gonna apply butter or margarine. So as you can see, I have buttered my bread. Each bread has been buttered. So now I have milk here. You need milk. And so let's get into cooking. So I forgot to tell you, now that I've buttered each bread, the last breads that have been buttered should look like outwards. You understand, like that? And I've put our pan on fire and I'm going to place that there. We do the same with this. You make it face outside and the other one face outside like that, and you place it in your pan, and then you go in with your milk and you just pour over it. As you can see. So now I'm gonna attempt to flip it. Wow. So for the edges, you push it against your pan because some of the edges are soaked, but it's milk, so it's not a problem. So this is how it looks like, and then we're gonna add honey on top. So we're gonna cut and see how it looks like in the middle. It's soft. It's, yes. This is how it looks like. So yeah, this is the bread, toasted bread in milk. So if you haven't, please do subscribe, like, comment, share, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye bye.